Now, if you're like me and you don't really like working from the command line, GitHub Desktop is the visual equivalent of Git. It allows you to manage a GitHub repository with an easy-to-use graphical user interface. So type GitHub Desktop into the search bar to find the download. Grab the appropriate download. Once the download is complete, go ahead and do the install. I've got it installed on my desktop using all the defaults. It auto launches when it's finished. And there you go. We'll take a quick tour of GitHub Desktop in the next video.